One more thing very important that we can look at is the EC oil blocks. So we have one over here which we can go and have a look at, and I can show you how to maintain those.
Perfect. So what do we need to bring then? We need to bring the...
You just take the compressed air. I will bring some electronic spray and some grease, and you can maybe take a paper towel so we have something to clean.
Perfect.
And then we all
Let's
set.
move over.
Here we have already pressure washed our tilt rotator. So now one thing we can do is this: clean the electric connections, make sure everything is fine. Then you clean it up with some compressed air, make sure everything is good. You can take this one to take away any grease that is left and everything. Make sure the connections are fine. On the opposite side of the EC oil, you can also check the O-rings, that all the O-rings are fine and nice. And then you can take some of this silicone compound and just grease a little bit in each of the connector holes. If you're not using the tilt rotator for a while, then this obviously maintains them dry and nice inside. And when you're using them, this will just lubricate a little bit.
Okay, so the important part here is to have a compound which is, let's say, preventing dirt and moisture to come in, but as well lubricating the connection.
Yeah, exactly. And make sure on these silicone compounds that you have a silicone compound that stays soft and doesn't get hard after a while.
Okay, so non-hardening compound.
Yeah. You shouldn't use any brake cleaner or anything that degreases completely. So you have to clean, but then you have to lubricate as well, so you don't have any completely degreased surface that just will rust over the time.